Hello friends! Diamond Big Broker is a unique app that is specially designed and developed for diamond industry. You will get informations of how to use this app and what benefits you will get in this video. You can search Diamond Big Broker application in Play Store and then download and install the app. Diamond Big Broker application can easily be used for diamond industry or whoever is occupied in diamond industry. After installing the app, when you open it, you can see a login screen. You can log in it with Google and Facebook credentials. In login details, you have to add your mobile number and city name and then tap on Continue. You can see application main page here. You can find many kind of informations here. Here you can find option of language change, so you can change language in Gujarati or Hindi. You can get any kind of information related to diamond industry from this app. Diamond merchants and diamond agents can contact each other directly for diamond purchase and selling. Now we are about to see process of diamond selling. For selling diamond, tap on Sell Natural Diamond and then select diamond size, type, purity and color. Let's see diamond selling example now. Suppose you need to sell a polished diamond, so you have to add type, size, quality and carat. Then add your city and mobile number. Also, if there is any special kind of diamond required, you can write it on description box. You can upload required diamond image from tapping on Upload Stock button. After that, tap on Send Request. As the process is done, you can find your added inquiry in Inquiry section. To see all the inquiries, you have to share this application to one or more than one of your friends via application share link. As you share the link, you can see all the inquiries. Daily upcoming all the details of seller and buyer requirements can be seen here. By tapping on Filter button, you can get a filter list of seller and buyer about which kind of diamond is needed. As you open the seller inquiry, you can see seller name, mobile number, city and which type of diamond needed to be sold. All this kind of informations you can get here, whom you can contact directly. Also, you can send text message and voice message to seller from application. It is very easy to use this application. With the help of this application, diamond merchants and diamond agents can provide their business a unique platform. With the help of this app, you will get benefits in the future as well. There will be many more features added in this app, like office purchase, selling, and for renting in diamond market. This app will be very helpful. For employment in diamond industry, employer and employee can apply through this app. Besides diamond selling and purchasing, you can get other details regarding diamond industry from this app. Using this app, you can raise your urgent diamond requirement, and you can also advertise your company branding in this app. Right now, this app is free. There is no charge on usage of this app. So share this app to your friends and colleagues and get unlimited benefits.